Hello, it's me, Jellie, and welcome to my grammar series. In our last video, we talked about nouns and how to identify it. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about pronouns. All of our examples are coming from the music industry herself, Taylor Swift. But Jellie, why? And why not? Let's go. What are pronouns? Pronouns are short words we swap in for other nouns to make our writing and speech more varied. Let's take a look at the following examples. They, because they got the cages, they got the boxes, and guns.
Cause they got the cages, they got the boxes, and guns.
But I was high in the sky.
But I was high in the sky.
You were my best for years.
You were my best for years.
Who is she? I get drunk on jealousy.
Who is she? I get drunk on jealousy.
Me. Kiss me on the sidewalk, take away the pain.
Kiss me on the sidewalk, take away the pain.
So all of these words, they are called pronouns. The distinguishing characteristic of a pronoun is that it can be substituted as a noun. For instance, if you're talking about your friend St, so it would seem too repetitive if you keep on saying St over and over again. So you need pronoun to substitute the word St, which is your friend. Take a look at this example. St's been losing sleep. Her husband's acting different and it smells like infidelity.
St's been losing sleep. Her husband's acting different and it smells like infidelity.
She says that ain't my Merlot on his mouth.
She says that ain't my Merlot on his mouth.
There are many different types of pronoun, but in this example, we are going to be focusing on personal pronouns. What are personal pronouns? Personal pronouns are pronouns that refer to a specific individual or a specific group. They are the following: I or me, meet me behind the mall. She or her, no one likes a mad woman. You made her like that. He or him, and now it's there at the phone. It still hasn't called, and then it feels so low you can't feel nothing at all. They or them, they say move on, but you know I won't. We or us, we are never ever ever getting back together. You, make sure nobody sees you leave. Let's take a look at another example. You heard the rumors from Inez, you can't believe a word she says. In that example, our pronoun is she and our noun is Inez. She refers to Inez. And in a feud with her neighbor, she stole her dog and dyed it key lime green. In our example, we use the pronoun it to refer to the dog. Remember how we mentioned that in order for us to introduce the pronoun, we need to introduce the noun first. And that noun has a name. It's called antecedent. What is an antecedent? An antecedent is the noun that the pronoun refers to. Antecedents are important because pronouns are so versatile. Think about the word it. It can refer to anything. It can be a bike, it can be a bag, it can be a camera. So in order for us to be specific, we need antecedent. Examples. There's nothing like a mad woman. What a shame she went mad. No one likes a mad woman. We made her like that. We use the pronoun she to refer to the woman that we have been talking about, the noun that the pronoun refers to. Woman is our antecedent. Alright, so let's proceed to subject pronouns like I. Subject pronouns are those pronouns that perform the action in a sentence. It is I, we, you, it, they, and who. In English, they are called subjects. Examples: I just wanna stay in that lavender haze. I is a subject pronoun because it is the one doing the action. Another example: they said the end is coming. Everyone's up to something. I found myself running home to you, sweet nothing. They is the doer of our action, so they is our subject pronoun. Object pronouns like me. Object pronouns are those pronouns that receive the action in a sentence. They are me, you, her, him, us. An object pronoun can also be used after the preposition. For example, I will go with him. Him is our object pronoun, with is our preposition. Notice that it goes after the preposition. With few exceptions, the English grammar requires the object to be after the verb. Example: you could see that I'm the one who understands. You've been here all along, so why can't you see? You belong with me. You belong with me. You is our subject, belong is our verb, and me is our object pronoun. Is this sentence correct? Number 1. Her and I are going to buy Taylor Swift's new album Midnight. The correct answer is not. Her should be replaced by she because she is a subject pronoun. Number 2. Who did you give the money to? Number 2 is a correct sentence. Number 3. You and me are going to the concert. Number 3 sentence is not correct. Me should be replaced with I because I is a subject pronoun. Number 4. Mark is calling for Lucy and me. The sentence is correct. Number 5. Jim made a copy of the report for Lucy and I. This is not a correct sentence because I should be replaced with me. For me is an object pronoun. Supply the missing pronoun. Number 6. David played the game and blank scored 10 points. The correct answer is he because David is a boy. Number 7. I have never eaten Miss Lovely's cakes. I bet blank are delicious. The correct answer is they. They refers to Lovely's cakes. How many did you get? Did you get a perfect score? In our next video, we're going to talk about verbs, so make sure to stay tuned. Once again, this is your teacher Jellie. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Adios!